Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video in the Mazdaspeed 3. It's been a while since I've came out here to do some data logs. That's what we're going to be doing today. Obviously, I got my next map from Justin. I think this is 7 or 8. In this one, he said that he changed some things in the boost tables, if I'm not mistaken. Not all 100% sure what that means exactly, but we're going to get some more logs for him, and hopefully the old girl stays alive for me, stays running well, as it usually does. But I thought I'd bring you guys along. I came out here really to get some footage with the gimbal and some pictures with my camera, but I decided to take the gear along and bring you guys with me to get some data log pulls, because I know you guys like those. So that's what we're going to be doing. Probably just going to get a third as usual, a fourth gear as usual, and maybe a third into fourth, or just another fourth probably, but we'll just see how it goes. Without further ado, let's get into it.
I've been in my zone, bitch, I'm in my bag. I really don't know how I got the swag, how I got the juice. I'm just getting loose, I'm just warming up. This ain't nothing.
I know we are still running 24 psi for boost, which is definitely solid. I'm not too sure if he upped it this map here, so I guess we'll find out. But it's a nice beautiful day in Mexico. Great days for some boost pulls. Boost air temps are nice and steady at 40 degrees Celsius. I've recently swapped out on my access port, well, just for this at least, I swapped out my coolant temps for my injector duty cycle, just to see what my injectors are doing, if they're spraying at full capacity really when they should be. And I don't know, I just kind of thought I'd switch it up and monitor something else. The other ones are pretty necessary: boost, AFR, knock, air temps, and high pressure fuel pump. Okay, so here we go. Third gear, 3000 RPM to 6500. And I didn't record that. What am I thinking? Wow. Why? Gonna have to do it again, I guess. Well, that was stupid. Look at that view of Mexico. Alright, here we go. Third gear, wide open. That was 22 PSI, 22.2. Let me go in a fifth for you here, so I can talk. 0.48 for knock. That pulled really hard. That felt really good. As you might have been able to tell, there was some good torque steer there. Always a fun little game, torque steer and front wheel drive. But 22 PSI. One thing I've noticed running a front mount intercooler on this car with the same turbo is there is a little bit of lag, which I did expect, but you do notice that little bit of lag once you first get on the throttle, waiting for that full spool to happen, and then it kind of just sets you back in your seat a little bit. Pretty happy with that pull there, 22 PSI, not too bad. I think last time we hit 24 actually. Here we go, fourth gear, 30,000 RPM, forward. Absolutely love it. 22 PSI, 0.75 on the knock. AFR is 8.67 as usual. Alright, I'm going to try for one more fourth gear pull here, and that will be it. I like getting 3 for Justin. I can't even see what RPM I'm at here. 3,000. Record. those that don't have them around you. Cool little guys. 22 PSI again to 22.3. 0.75 for knock. We pretty well have the exact same numbers every single pull. Alright, so that's going to be the end of those 3 pulls. I'm going to pull over here in this little cutout and get some nice scenic shots for you guys while that sunset, because that shit is nice. So yeah, we're going to switch to the scenic shots about now.